Hello, my name is Rohit Khosla and I'm from Learnbyexperts. Now, this is in continuation with the first part of conversion tracking in Twitter. I've already covered website tags types, and today I am going to show you the first type of conversion tracking website tag, that is called universal website tag. So, universal website tag is basically used to track your entire website's actions, but make sure that if you want to put universal website tag, uh, there has to be a funnel. So you are going to track a complete funnel process. So a funnel is something like where, suppose you have a shopping website, you are into the home page. Secondly, you are going into the cart where you have selected a product, and there's a checkout page that finally you have purchased the product. So if you want to track the complete funnel, you can use it through universal website tag. So how can you implement universal website tag? Let me brief you a practical demonstration. Now this is the Twitter account, and you need to go to Twitter and conversion tracking. Once you go to conversion tracking, there is an option called create new event conversion. So create new conversion event. So once you click on new conversion event, you need to give the name of your conversion event. So my conversion event here is a sign up maybe. So if somebody will landed it to example, maybe this is my home page. This is the home page. Now once somebody visits this home page, and if he will fill up this form, maybe this is a sign up here. If I want to put up a sign up here, maybe I'm going to put up a sign up. This is my name. I'm going to put an email here, maybe this is my email, and this is my phone number, test message. So I've signed up. Once I click on send, yes, my form has been saved and I have came into a different page. So there is a funnel here. One is a home page, another one is a page which is called a thank you page. So I want to track a conversion event of this funnel on for my thank you page. So use this URL to track it. So maybe I'm going to track maybe a final page would be contact us page. So maybe uh, contact us page, it may be a site visit, yes. So universal website tag, so all website visit, that if somebody will visit to my exact URL, that is the exact URL. But make sure you can add some condition here, that URL also contains, so why I have put these two options, so it will track all these if the URL is exactly same, or the URL contains this text. Any one of them, if matched, will be treated as a conversion. So 30 days is my post engagement attribution window. So 30 days, if you mean about, I'll just tell you what is all about. So this is so post engagement attribution here is 30 days, and post view attribution window is off. Why it is off? Because I want to track all the engagements which is been done during 30 days. And yes, and for those who have visited my website, and I don't want to track, I don't want to store anything uh, which have been tracked through my ads. So if somebody has seen my Twitter ad, he will not be able to stored in my audience list. So here why that there's a post view attribution window is off. So make sure your post attribution window is off and your post engagement attribution window is 30 days. I agree. Save conversion event. So once you click on save conversion event, you will be given this kind of a website, universal website tag. Now what you need to do, you need to copy this tag, you need to paste this tag, and you need to paste this tag to all the pages before the closing of body tag. Now if you can use it, I have already placed this tag. You can go to the landing page, or maybe where you want to set up the tag. You can take a help of Twitter website tag plugin. So once you click over it, it can show you your, just refresh it. Or maybe I can go to my page source window. Maybe I can be tracked Twitter, or maybe a thank you page. But if it is not being set up here, you can set up using tag manager. So see, now this has been tracked. You can see Twitter website tag found. This is my tag ID NZ8OX. This is the page view standard event found here. So what I have put this code into the landing page of mine and before the body. So I have used tag manager. So please refer to my tag manager tutorial for putting this code. So once you put this code, once you go to return to conversion tracking, you can see this is unverified, but it will be changed as tracking very soon, like this. So right now it is unverified. So once you copy this code to your landing page, maybe through or you can send it to your programmer, otherwise you can use tag manager. So this is all about universal tracking. So please wait and watch my next tutorial, that is for second type of conversion tracking.